So in this section, we're gonna talk about solar. That's gonna be everything from how much solar you need. Maybe it's not as much as you think you're gonna need. And we're gonna talk about different panel types, stuff like that.
This section's all about gauging the proper size wire for how much solar you're gonna be using. So it's crucial to know exactly how many panels you're gonna be putting into this system. And if you're really unsure, just go a little bit bigger. So we're gonna run our lines within the walls, attach it to the existing rough wiring, and install our solar port to the top of the van.
So we're gonna show you how to mount these solar panels in the shop. We'll show you the different tips that we use on how to mount these. And this is gonna kind of go together with some of the rough wiring we've already done, because you're gonna connect that to the final electrical system that we'll show you on later.